If your child's teacher uses something called Class Dojo as a communication tool between school and home, here's how you can check to see if it's right for you. Sign up with your child's teacher. Typically, you'll sign up with your phone number, then you can look for a code in your text messages. In your messages, you'll see a link to join Class Dojo. Click that link and you'll be taken to the teacher's Class Dojo page. You'll be asked to confirm if you are so-and-so's parent, and then you'll be asked to enter your name, email address, and password in the parent sign-in page. The next screen, you should see where you can download the Class Dojo app from the Google Play Store for Android users, or the App Store for Mac, iOS, and Apple. Click either Get or Download and wait for the app to download. Class Dojo should start up when you hit Open, and the app will ask you if you are a teacher, parent, student, or school leader. Click on Parent, and you'll enter the login information that you did in a previous step, then tap the Login button. The next screen asks if you want to allow notification, which you do, so you'll know when your child's teacher is trying to reach out to you. This will take you to Class Stories, where you can see pictures and updates from your child's teacher or their school. On the bottom, you can also see private messages from your child's teacher. You can add another child by hitting the plus button at the bottom of the page. Again, use the class code provided by the child's teacher. The gear icon is the one to hit if you want to change settings, such as language. Good luck on your new journey with Class Dojo.